Hello there you guys, thank you for coming back to the channel. Today I'll show you, well, my airlift system that I put in the car. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you my setup, my trunk setup, and how I wire all the stuff in. But for this is my trunk setup. I still have the spare tire. My airlines go through the air, both sides, in the little corner. To get to there, we took everything off. All this whole panel, we push all the seat down, we push the seat. All the wiring we did went all the way over here, and the airlines down there where you saw it. We just drill a hole in one area so we can put the airline on this side for this one, and the other one over there. But we did not do it inside, so we just did it outside, where's the guard covered, so no dust, no nothing will hit it on it. But I'm sorry I couldn't show you how we did it, because we're trying to rush it to finish the installation, because I gotta work. I need to pay my bills so I can go to work. So me and my cousin took 2 days to finish all this. One day just to put the spring, the struts, the airbags inside the car. The next day was pure wiring. Let me show you guys how we did it. This. But my trunk, one-handed. What the fuck is it? Oh, there it is. Sorry. Took a while. I use my other hand. Okay. Just put you here for now. And so here it is. So all the wiring we did here. Zip line it. Let's keep it together. We didn't use any of the fuse box inside, so every time I turn on the car, the air compressor would turn on when I needed to fill out with air. So we did it inside the fuse box, inside the car, around somewhere. I forgot why he used a fuse box, but it's up to you what kind of fuse box, what kind of what's it called, fuse you want to use to pump up energy to your tank, to your compressor. But that's what we did. But it is a hard work, because I haven't seen no one do it before, so it took us a while to finish it. Yeah, I'll show you clips in the end of this clip, this video, how it turned out, how it aired out and all that. Oh, I put my stock wheels back because the rims I was running, the 18 by 8.5, oh, sit good on it, but cannot air it out completely because it hits the guard right here. So you gotta remove this so it can fit flush, but I don't want to do that. But the rear actually sit out perfectly, doesn't hit nothing because it doesn't have a liner poking out, just this thing. So yeah, just put my stock for the moment, because I'm planning to just take off the air, because it's my daily and it bounced so much, especially on the desert, Palmdale, Lancaster. There's so many uneven road, so it doesn't benefit me. And plus I take my family to rides. I took my dad last time to a place, and that and the car just bounced crazy, and he didn't like it, and he told me I was dumb to do it. But you know, it's me, it's my car, it's not his. But I don't know, pretty much I think I would just put it back to how it's supposed to be, normal stock suspension. But warning, if you want to put it back together, the rubber mounts, the spring rubber mount, you gotta buy new ones, because we use the rubber mounts, the spring mounts, to put it to the air bags, so it won't be hitting metal with metal, and you don't hear it when it, you know, bouncing up and down. It'll click. But this is my video. Sorry I couldn't show you what we did inside, but if you're like us, you'll figure it out. So it's like a 2-day/3 days job if you want to do it. But well, this is my airlift kit. I like it for sure, not but to go out, go crazy amount by yourself, yeah. But it's good when you have people in the back, so the weight goes down and doesn't do much, you know. You don't bounce as much as when you're by yourself. So thank you for watching the video, and here's some clips, or a clip of my car airing out. Thank you.